Good. Now it's recording. Hey.
Hi. This is Bethany.
This is Marissa.
She's my soulmate.
She's my soulmate.
And I love her.
I love her.
Because we are really cool.
I know, right? Like, we found out there's so much things we have in common.
Yeah.
And we even kind of look like twins in the webcam.
On the webcam, yeah, we look pretty alike.
I know, because of the eyes.
And the dark hair.
Smile. And the dark hair.
And the pale skin.
Yes. I love my pale skin in the webcam.
Me too.
And look at, we're both wearing like this same outfit. Like,
We are. See?
yeah, she's
Hello
Hello
Kitty
Kitty
shorts.
shorts and a tank top.
And tank top.
Yeah, so I guess we're pretty much soulmates.
Yeah.
Our souls are connected.
Forever.
Yeah. Oh, and thank you, Mike, for the whole making us wonder.
Yeah, you really got me pissed off.
Why would you piss Marissa off like that, Mike?
I thought you were mad at me.
Yeah. Next time we'll make sure to reply to you quicker.
Yeah, exactly. Nah.
This is going on Facebook.
Yeah, my arm looks fat right there. We're just gonna. Do you ever do that? Like, make your
Yeah.
arms look like wider apart or something?
Yeah.
I don't even know. My
I don't
boobs
know.
are showing.
I know, mine are too. But it's okay because we have good boobies.
Exactly. Because we're not, like,
Like fat.
fat.
Yeah.
I guess.
We're not like Santa boobies. Does Santa have boobies?
Yeah, he does. He's a man with boobs. I totally meant to say something else.
Yeah, because Santa, we love you. Santa, I've been a good girl and I want cookies.
I've been a good girl, Santa. Please let me lose like 10 pounds.
Yeah. Even though she doesn't need to lose 10 pounds, make me lose like 20.
And give us liposuction.
Yes, I really want liposuction, please. It only costs like about $800 or $8,000.
And piercings and
tattoos.
And
I want snake bites,
I want
Santa.
everything, Santa. I want everything pierced almost.
Except the nipples.
Except my nipples. And my, down there.
Because that's disgusting. Oh, look, I have a mustache. Ah.
My hair's not long enough to do that, really. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, that's
Kinda.
a huge mustache.
Ooh, big fancy mustache. Ah. Yeah, so get this liposuction, because I definitely need lipo.
Yeah, we both want liposuction.
Yeah. When we graduate together, we're just gonna get like a little thinner.
And then we're gonna, what else are we gonna do?
We're gonna travel the world. I think we need to do that together, travel
Yeah,
the
we're
world.
gonna travel the world together.
Yeah! We can go to France and meet French boys with their French fries and whatnot.
And English musicians, because they're always hot.
Oh yeah, and their scruffy faces.
Yes.
Especially, like, indie. I kind of like the indie boys.
With their little beards and
Yeah!
glasses.
And their glasses and their cigarettes, and they go... I'm like, ooh, indie.
I like indie boys.
Yeah,
I
me
like
too.
boys.
I know, I like boys too. And Haley Williams, if you're watching this, I doubt you are, but Haley Williams, you're hot.
And Kristen Stewart, if you're watching this, you're hot. Pink, you're hot.
Oh my god, Pink, you are gorgeous. I love you, and you're so sexy.
And there's another one, but I can't remember.
Marissa.
Oh yeah, Bethany, if you're watching this, you're really hot.
Yeah, Marissa, if you're watching this, God, I love you, and you're so sexy.
Yeah, so I think that's about all our lesbian lovers.
Yeah. Yeah. So we should say goodbye now. But first, I need to get Igor.
Igor.
Oh my god, I love Igor. Ah.
Oh, let me see those glasses.
Oh, they broke, dude.
Oh well.
I told you they broke. I sat on them or something. With my fat self. Need liposuction.
I look like the old guy from Up.
You do! The old guy that wanted to make a balloon thingy.
Yeah.
I haven't seen Up yet.
Really?
Nope.
It's really good.
Ah. Genevieve got me this Igor. I love you, Genevieve. We need to tag the people in here that we talked
Yeah, we
about.
do. Yeah, like Haley Williams and everyone.
Oh my god, Haley Williams. And Pink and Ursa.
Who else is hot? That's a girl.
There are a lot of pretty girls. Pretty. What should we name this video?
I don't even know. It should be like, Jesus, I love you.
It'll confuse everyone.
I know. They'll be like, oh, it's a good Christian video, and they'll click it, and we're talking about who we think is hot. That's a girl.
And like piercings and liposuction.
I totally forgot about the liposuction thing.
Yeah. And if people think we're lying about this, no, we really
No.
want liposuction.
We want liposuction.
No joke. Like, I never really told anyone that until I met Marissa, and she's like, I want liposuction. I'm like,
We just clicked, you know?
I know. It was like, say click. Say
Click.
click. Have you seen Go Diego Go?
Yeah.
You know the click? Say click.
Nope.
Tick, tick.
One time I was at the Nick Hotel, and you know how they had that Go Diego Go thing, like,
Yeah.
just in the middle of the pool? And
Yeah.
well, there was another thing behind it. It had water skirting, and the angle, I made it look like Diego was like peeing, and I was like, "Go Diego, go!" I was only like 12.
I went to Nickelodeon Hotel at like 9 or 7, and that's when I discovered I wanted tattoos.
I hit my head because I was trying to tell the people upstairs to shut up, but my hand wasn't strong enough to make a noise, so I used my head. And then that night I had a dream that I was kidnapped by a monkey, and now I'm scared of monkeys.
This is
True
another
story.
reason why I love her.
Exactly. Because I'm funny.
Yeah, she is. Oh wow, this is 6 minutes.
This is really long. We're gonna look back on this in like 2 years and be like, oh my gosh, we were so stupid.
I know.
That'll be after we got our liposuction though.
I know, and they'll be like, damn, we were fat.
Yeah. So glad we got liposuction.
Okay, well I guess we should say goodbye now.
Yeah.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Mwah.
Love you.
Bye.